All right, going to make a video to show you how to use the espresso machine should you want a cup. So you hit the power button right here. Let it go through its warm-up process. You'll hear a bunch of noises. Don't put anything underneath it. It's going to heat up the heating element and pressure thingy, and dispense some water. And then once it completes its process, you'll get all the buttons lit up here on the menu as you see there. Okay, so now that it's gone through its initial startup process, warm up, etc., you get the menu all lit up. You're gonna go ahead and put your cup underneath, right? This one is for steam. This one is just for hot water. Hot water is dispensed from this guy. This one is single shot espresso. That's strong, I should say, single shot. And that's a mild espresso, single shot. These, if you click it twice hard, like so, click it twice, that means it'll be a double shot. So you let it go through. Heat up. Look at that pour. All that crema. All right. That's one. And because I, in this case, clicked it twice, it's going to grind some more beans, tamp it down automatically, and you're good to go. It's grinding. Now it's tamped. Now it's purging it and pressurizing, pre-soaking the beans, the crushed beans, and then there it goes. That's your second shot. Boom. That noise is just getting rid of the coffee puck. Oh, I'm glad it did this. As you can see, after I made my coffee, you get this indicator and all the other menu buttons disappear. This one means you need to empty the spent coffee pucks or grounds. So the way you do that is you pull this here tray out. There's water. I usually just empty that in the sink in the bathroom. And then you grab this tray, pull it out, and as you'll see, you have the spent coffee pucks. And you could go ahead and throw those out in the, what do you call it? I just throw them out in the bushes in the front, over the front porch. Good to go. All right. And then once you empty them, you put it back in. Although sometimes the indicator, even after you empty it, does not go away. And sometimes that's a result of you just put your hand in here. There's nothing that'll do it. And just kind of clean around up, because sometimes some coffee grinds get stuck in there. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Go empty. Right, we're all about sustainability here at Chateau de Weeping Valley. Go ahead and just whoop. I hear it keeps bugs away. I don't know, could be a tall wives' tail or something like that, but whatever. At least it's not going to landfill. Maybe it serves a purpose. All right, so then put it back in. Put the tray. Good to go. As you can see, return. Coffee beans. Go up here, just remove the lid, put them in. We'll keep them filled in there. And then if you need to refill, you'll get an orange light here with like a water spout pouring. The way you do that is kind of move this to the back here, get some clearance from up there, pull up, and there's the water reservoir. Just bring it to the fridge, fill it with the pitcher of water, put it back, good to go. Slide her back, and she's back in business. That's what I'm talking about. All right, that's what you do for that. And then enjoy. It's good espresso. Thank you for watching. Sorry so long.